yes, you are audible and visible.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Good evening.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. And so, what about you?
I am pretty well.
So, let's start this session with a short introduction. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, no doubt. Just as you know, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am comes from Rajasthan. By profession, I am a teacher. I usually teach English literature, 11th and 12th classes, and I am a mother also. I have a son, and my work takes of the most of time. But if I have some time, so I would like to take care of the plant and gardening, and that's all about me.
Yeah, it's a very interesting. And so I introduce myself. Yeah, as you know, my name is Satisfaction, and I'm from UP district Lakhimpur. By profession, I'm English teacher, and English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my hobbies, I have so many hobbies like reading different types of religious books, singing song, listening to music, and teaching to the boys and learning new things. That's all a little bit about it. That's a little bit about us. Now, ma'am, I have a topic, and that is not difficult for each and everyone. But can I share my topic?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, ma'am. As you know, India is a country of diversity, and some person are rich and some person are poor. But
yeah,
why there are many beggars begging?
yeah.
So, please tell me something about this. And beggars are still, you can see there are many beggars begging, sitting at the gate of temple, and you
Mosque,
have also noticed,
yes,
yeah, yeah.
in a religious
And
place.
sometimes they come to door and please give me 10 rupees in the name of God. In Hindi, Allah के नाम पे दे दी 10 का note, like this भगवान के नाम पे. So
Yeah,
why this condition is not changing, and there are many facilities also available in India, and why this is very critical situations, and you noticed in your day-to-day life that some youngs also start begging, and some girls, and when we visit any type of any historical place, or when we go outside of the district or state, and there are many beggars, start crying in stations as well.
I can
So what
easily
your
get
yeah,
your but the begging is the not the new term in India. It is the ancient term of India. It is called ancient time alms. If you have remembered, try to na in a different reference in our mythologies. Usually,
yeah,
the Brahmins are try to take the alms from the five house only to
yeah,
run their family. And we have an example of the Sudama and Krishna also.
yeah,
And
yeah,
in South India, we celebrate the Onam, also related to the donation. So
yeah, yeah,
in India, these kind of a traditional culture. But
yeah,
nowadays, it is changed their form.
yeah,
Earlier in India, we have a tradition to the charity, food, money, and sometimes lands also, sometimes a cow and any other different animals. So it is the
yeah,
our Indian culture to giving to donate something the other person. But nowadays it is changed some different shape. That is the not good situation. That is the awkward situation. Now earlier
yeah,
peoples are the asking for some and someone give their satisfaction, they also satisfy, but
yeah,
sometimes nowadays they are trying to insist and they are trying to cheat the other one, and it
yeah,
feel awkward situation, especially in the religious person. If we take example of
yeah,
the Haridwar, and if
yeah,
any special temple and any special mosque, so these are not they have not try to disguise sometime, not
yeah,
disguise in a lame person, disguise in
yeah,
a blind person. So it
yeah,
is not good and a not good message to the society. And we sometimes feel afraid of the these kind. They have
yeah,
we are the different scam
yeah,
also in the
yeah,
disguise manner. So I think the begging is the not harmful if a person are not able to do something, and just
yeah,
like due to their physical and mental health. So
yeah,
we
yeah,
donate. a person by their will and wish. But if we are try to cheat the society and try to disguise it, try to harm other person, so government should take action against these
Yeah.
kind of. That
This
is the
type of
my
activity.
opinion. And sometime the now people are healthy mentally or
Yeah, yeah.
physically, they try to beg. No, it is
Yes,
not good things for our society and our country. So
yes,
we
yes.
should not inspire to work on self, and if we are lagging behind in some factor, so we can help each other. It is our
Yes.
tradition.
Yeah, yeah.
So it is my opinion. What's your opinion? What should do for the beggars? I am not saying begging is the bad thing. We can
Yeah, yeah.
ask help. We can ask for
Yeah,
someone something,
yeah.
but we should not try to cheat other one.
Yeah. So thank you, ma'am, because you explained very well. And on the behalf of this answer, I would like to tell you something about my own opinions. Ma'am, you can beg if you are facing any type of physical, mental, or any challenge. Then it is quite great that because you are not able to do any types of work in the society, because you are not able to go anywhere, because you have a very huge problem.
Yeah.
Then it is quite great. You can beg, you can take support from your neighbors
Other
as well as, yeah, with other pupils. But when you are, I have also noticed that there are some healthy people and they look smart and still they are, cheating others in the name of begging that please give me something as a
yes.
charity so that we can uh, make my life happy.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I have also noticed in my village, basically, I am living in a small village. So every day and every week 2 or 3 5 members, you know they are
Yeah.
also very healthy, and they are only begging in the name of god, because they mention different of god. And some she says, very good words. Said very good, if you beg me, and I will pray for you, I will pray for your family, your sons and daughter will progress in future, and will get life, they get lot of opportunities life as well. So I think you can beg, it is quite great. But as they wishes, as they pray in your favor, if you not do your duty, that will not come automatically, I mean to say.
Yeah. So sometimes the
So
people are now begging,
yeah,
and time they are the become a greedy person. Sometimes they ask the one thing, after that the another, after that the another. They are demanding
no,
more than more. You know,
more and more things. Yeah, yeah,
more than more. And sometimes they are trying to cheat other, and now sometimes they are now also make some thievery and robbery also in the name
yeah,
of
yeah,
the begging. So it is the
yeah,
scary thing for the society, and not the good things for the society, especially the children. Say, in the name
yeah.
of begging, they are doing some scam and kidnappings happen in
Kids
them.
today as well. Yeah,
Yes, yes, begging. They are increasing sometimes the crime also. It is not good
yeah,
thing.
yeah,
Yes, yes. In our royal courts and the time the emperor, begging is the a tradition in India, but it
yeah,
is taken in a different shape and scheme. It is
yeah, yeah, okay.
harmful.
Yeah. Nowadays, I think this type of system is, out of rule as well, because I think you can uh, consider that the dearness is increasing day by day, and people is unable to support his or her family.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
suppose that if someone gets 15,000 per month, 20,000 per month, in most of the people villages get live salary, as I mentioned. So how they will share, and how will they donate to others?
It's a
Because it is
depend.
nowadays in present, you can see uh, that DNS is increasing day by day, and most of the people directly indirectly come for a begging purpose, and they offer, they demand along by telling multiple offer that if you beg, if you give me donation something, then everything will be go in your favor. So
Yeah.
like this, it is not very good.
Yeah, and in India, we can easily watch, and especially the during the COVID, especially we to take example of the industrialist and corporate sector. Ratan Tata gives the most charity. Instead of they are not the richest person in the in the world and in the
Yeah.
India also, but they are the topmost person in the charity. So charity is the tradition of India, but na sometime without any reason, and we become a greedy person.
Without, yeah, yeah,
Yes, yes. So it is not good thing. And some during the COVID, there's some different NGOs, different society try to charity the person. Some
yeah,
bread and groceries, milk, clothings also. But people are now. I can say they are trying to cheat other person. They
yeah, yeah.
collect all
Yeah.
even so they
Like,
collect the party
yeah, yeah.
also. So
Like if they are running his business.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
become businesses.
yeah,
Through the charity you are trying to help other person. We take a lesson other person. We try
yeah,
to inspire other person, and we are collecting the money. We try to run a business. So it is
yeah,
not
yeah.
good. We become a greedy person.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I mean to say, which type of person we should donate? Which type of person we should donate?
It's a depend on the situation of the person. Sometime a
Yeah,
person is not good, but some any situation, maybe the crying need of that helpful. Maybe that just take example of a person
yeah,
very
yeah,
greedy person in earlier time, and at that life of any point, it is crying need some medicine, some money also. So
yeah,
we should observe the situation, what kind of the situation of a person.
yeah, yeah,
In the person, now I watched them, especially the beggar. They now
yeah,
beg some money, and after that they start drinking. So it is
yeah, yeah.
harmful, and it is not
Harmful.
charity. We are earning any, you can say, the crime and sin
Yeah,
through the
yeah, yeah,
charity. So we should take and we should observe the
yeah.
situation of any
Yeah, we
person.
should see in the condition. We should be, donate. Yeah, we should.
Some persons say we should not charity as a money, but maybe he or she buy some medicine, he or she buy
Yeah,
some any cloth, any special item maybe. So we should observe any situation of the person. If someone
yeah,
maybe the crying need of any books, any try to access there any fair, so we should observe any person. Some people say we should always give some food. Maybe other person crying need of the other situation in a different,
yeah,
you know. I heard a story by the APJ Abdul Kalam. One day APJ Abdul Kalam haven't any fear to give exam, take part in exam. So that time he's crying in need some money, some fear. So it is a depend on the situation.
yeah, ma'am. Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely right, ma'm. So, ma'am, it's very nice session, and I would like to know what is the weather condition in your place.
It's a drizzling today in evening.
But I think you can see my condition because it is
Yeah,
very hot in my area, and even we are unable to attend 15-30 minute session as well.
yeah,
And since morning, I was waiting that when weather condition will be okay, then I
yeah.
will do anything else. But
We will get good rain
yeah, like
tomorrow.
saying this after thinking this, couple of hours has been passed, but finally, uh, I give myself a challenge that anyway I would like to have a
Understand.
celebration. Yeah. Yeah. So,
Thank you
ma'am,
for
it
tuning.
is very nice, yeah, nice sessions, and I hope that this session will be well for each and everyone. And till
Thank
then,
you.
take care, have a fun, keep practicing.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
nice to meet you.